Orleans County, Marine Park, Point Breeze. Another Point Breeze in New York State. Maybe I just stop and check it out because I'm bored. I'm not really making a long video of this. I'm trying to make some money today. No luck. Might as well just get a picture. This though looks nice. This is Lake Ontario again. My wallet's in my pocket. Iroquois area. It'd be pretty cold out to be shirtless in this. The British ships got up here. Looks like some grenades hit or something, I don't know. I'll just take a little view of this lake. I'm not really getting too crazy. The lake over here, Ontario Lake, ain't frozen either. No swimming. Oak Richard Lighthouse, Point Breeze. Goes for the season. Looks pretty cool. Do a little walk around it. Damn cold though. I'm gonna get back to my truck. Not gonna do too long. Uneven surface right there. They're saying don't walk on it. But I'm not gonna really get crazy. A lot of geese out here. Take a look at the icebergs. And then get back to my truck and little ice balls there. Some icebergs. Nice little area. A little Valentine picture there. There's the lighthouse. A little short video here, not too long. All right. Trying to go scrapping today. All I got is a aluminum engine box, block, and a couple of batteries, but trying to invest like 800 into a load, but not working out. That's the stall room. Trying to get some junk going here. Not much. Alright, it's freaking cold.